ISO 14001. Are you a process engineer specializing in water treatment and looking to reduce your company's energy, water and chemical footprints in compliance with ISO 14001? Our technologically advanced Aquarius water treatment and corrosion monitoring controller for cooling towers, the UniQ, could be your solution. The UniQ controller can significantly help improve your EMS to reduce environmental impact, ensure legal compliance, and improve sustainability. Here's what it can do. 1. Improved water efficiency and conservation, ISO 14001 requirement. The standard emphasizes the efficient use of resources, particularly water, and minimizing wastage. How the controller helps. The UniQ corrosion water treatment system ensures that cooling towers operate more efficiently by monitoring and controlling water chemistry, like pH levels, scaling, and corrosion. This reduces water consumption by preventing scale buildup and corrosion, thereby improving water reuse rates and minimizing the need for additional water sourcing. 2. Reduction of chemical use, ISO 14001 requirement. The standard encourages minimizing the use of hazardous materials and chemicals, which can negatively affect the environment. How the controller helps. With automated corrosion monitoring and treatment, the UniQ controller can optimize chemical dosing based on real-time water quality monitoring, reducing the overuse of chemicals. This leads to less chemical waste and fewer harmful discharges into the environment. 3. Wastewater treatment compliance, ISO 14001 requirement. ISO 14001 requires organizations to manage waste and prevent environmental contamination, including wastewater discharge. How the controller helps. The UniQ's cutting-edge monitoring system can ensure that the cooling tower's water quality remains within permissible limits, reducing the risk of harmful chemicals or pollutants being released into wastewater systems. It ensures that the water treatment process is effectively controlled and compliant with discharge regulations. 4. Energy efficiency, ISO 14001 requirement. Energy efficiency and reducing energy consumption are key focuses of ISO 14001. How the controller helps. By preventing scale and corrosion in the cooling tower system, the UniQ's advanced treatment and monitoring software can reduce energy losses caused by inefficient heat exchange. This leads to lower energy consumption and a more sustainable operation. 5. Regulatory compliance, ISO 14001 requirement. Compliance with relevant environmental laws and regulations is a core aspect of ISO 14001. How the controller helps. The UniQ controller ensures that cooling towers remain in compliance with local and national environmental regulations regarding water quality, chemical usage, and emissions. Automated reporting can track compliance over time, reducing the risk of regulatory violations. 6. Risk management, ISO 14001 requirement. The standard requires organizations to assess and manage environmental risks. How the controller helps. The UniQ controller can help identify and mitigate potential risks associated with corrosion or scale buildup, such as equipment failure or contamination of water supplies. By monitoring water quality in real time and providing alerts, the system helps prevent operational disruptions that could lead to environmental hazards. 7. Documentation and reporting, ISO 14001 requirement. ISO 14001 requires proper documentation and records to demonstrate compliance and continuous improvement. How the controller helps. The corrosion water treatment and monitoring system of the UniQ controller can generate detailed logs and reports on water chemistry, chemical usage, and system performance. These records can be invaluable for audits and assessments, providing evidence of environmental performance and compliance with ISO 14001 standards. 8. Sustainability goals, ISO 14001 requirement. The standard focuses on continual improvement and environmental sustainability. How the controller helps. Smart software of the UniQ controller enhances the operational efficiency of the cooling tower, reducing water and chemical use, and minimizing environmental risks. The corrosion treatment system supports the organization's sustainability goals. It enables the company to continuously monitor and improve its environmental performance. In conclusion, the Aquarius UniQ corrosion water treatment and monitoring controller for cooling towers supports ISO 14001 compliance by improving efficiency, reducing chemical and water waste, managing risks, ensuring regulatory compliance, and providing detailed records for audits. It helps organizations minimize their environmental footprint and maintain sustainable operations, which is at the heart of ISO 14001's goals.